After you've used tag editing software to examine and correct the title and artist tags of your MP3 files, and then exported your library data to a comma-separated CSV file, then you're ready to import your library data into Music One. Before you do your first import, you need to understand the functions of two very important fields on the song cards. The File field is used by Music One itself to play the song. If you have the drive path file name here, then you can click and hear the song while you're working with Music One. You do not necessarily have to have anything in this file field. It can be empty. It's only for click and hear while you work with Music One. Now, the cart field data is the most important because it's used by your automation system or webcasting system to find and play the song. If you're using Music One on the same computer as your webcast player, then the exact same drive path file name will go into both fields, the cart and the file field. If, on the other hand, you have your webcast system and the audio files that you stream on a different computer or a remote server, then the data in the cart field will probably not be the same as what's in the file field. If you don't have your audio files on the local computer, the one where Music One is installed, then the file field can be empty. When you tell Music One to import the comma-separated text files produced by your tag editing software, you have the option of having it put the drive path file name into only the cart field, only the file field, or into both cart and file fields. To import your audio library tag data, click Categories. Open the Import menu. Select Import from CSV. Browse to the folder containing the text file of your exported library data. That's the CSV file that you've exported from other software. Choose your import selection, telling Music One to overwrite the cart, or the file, or both, and then click the Import button, and Music One will import your library data. You can do this import over and over, and in fact you probably will be doing it many times. When you make subsequent exports from your tag editing software, you may export the entire library again, all the song titles that you've already imported into Music One, along with any new ones that you've recently ripped into your system. When you do a re-import, Music One will identify the songs that it already has and import only the new stuff. It'll then show you a message that a certain number of songs were not imported. Those would be the ones that are already in your Music One database. And a certain number were imported. Those would be the new ones that you've recently added. When the import is finished, close this window. And click the New Songs category, and there you'll find the newly imported song cards.